We are going to learn how to draw flat design for fashion. Flat design are a kind of technical drawings for fashion design. Instead of drawing clothes that are on models, so to show, instead of showing people wearing your clothes, you're going to focus on illustrating the pieces of clothing as they would look if they were laid out flat, like on a table. So you need to draw the pieces of clothing alone on a flat surface. First of all, you need to draw a sketch, handmade sketch using pencil and paper, like the one I did it here. I can show you this. No, sorry, this one. Okay? So very easy drawing, only the main lines, okay, and the proportion, no 3D effect, only the drawing. Then you need to take a photo, okay, and share with AirDrop this photo from your iPhone or your iPad with your laptop. The second step is to open the software. So you go on desktop, you click on on Go, Applications. You double click on the name of Adobe Illustrator, the most recent version you have. For my computer is 2025. You double click, and you have your software open. Then you need to create a new file. You can click on this button, or you can go in the top bar, File, New. You need to select the dimension of your artwork. For this exercise, I want you to choose Print and then A4 format. You put here the dimensions, the unit of measurements in centimeters, and then you click on Create. Here you can see how the software looks like when you open it. You have this white rectangle. This is the artwork where you need to draw. Everything you want to draw and to print should be inside this rectangle. Here on the left, you have all the toolbars and the instrument to draw, edit, color, everything. The top bar, okay, here, and this special place for some specific action and where you can see all the windows. First of all, we need to import the image of your sketch. So we go File, here in the top bar, Place, and you select the name of your file. I suggest you to call it just Dress, Flat Design Sketch, or Flat Design, and so on, so you can remember. And then you click on Place. You click here on the rectangle, okay, you select the arrow, the black arrow here, and you can make adjustment to put it into the center. Here you can see the layer window, very important because Illustrator is working on different pieces of paper transparent called layers, one on the top of each other. Okay, if it's not visible, you go to Window and you click on Layers and it will appear. Now I double click on the name, okay, of the layer because I want to change the name, and I put it Sketch. I type the name Sketch. And then I click here in this white space because I want to lock. So I don't want to move nothing on this layer. Then I click on the name of the layer, I go in the plus icon and I create a new layer on the top. Double click on the name and I call it Flat Design. This is the main layer where I'm going to draw. So to be sure to tell the software that I want to draw on this layer, I click on it in this name. The main tool you need to use to draw your flat design drawings is the pen tool. Pen. Okay, you can zoom using your trackpad. Pen tool. So I go here and I click on this pen. If you want to change the zoom, you just go in the bottom here, you click on this arrow, fit on screen, or you can change the number. I suggest you 200, okay, to start drawing, okay, and you can make the point of view different. The pen tool, if you need to create a straight line, you just need to, first of all, you need to change here. We don't want to have the fill activated, okay? So we click on this, none, we double click here and we can set the color of the stroke like pink to make it more visible. In the future you can change it. Now in the meanwhile, from time to time it's important to save, okay? Because if you close the file without saving, you're going to lose everything. There is no autosave function in the laptop. It's totally different from the iPad, okay? So remember to save your file very often, okay? So how to do it? You go in the top bar, file, and then you click on save on your computer, you put it a name, so dress flat design illustration, okay, save and click OK. Yeah, save on your computer. Remember, okay, I didn't show you that you need to choose this format, AI, okay? This is the right format if you want to edit again your drawing when you open it next time. Don't use PDF, AI format, okay? So AI format, Adobe Illustrator format, okay? Okay, let's go to the pen here. I click on the icon pen tool, okay? If you want to draw a straight line, you just need to click, click, and click. As you can see, you need to make adjustment again with the fill. Okay, so because now there is the fill activated. So I double click here and I click here none. Then I double click here and I select the color. Okay? Yes. So if I want to draw a straight line, I just click, 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 click. Okay. If I want to make a curved line, I just need to start from the very first point, then I click, keep pressed with the mouse or the trackpad, and then move my finger or move the mouse. So you can see the curved line and the control points appearing. Click and keep pressed, click and keep pressed, and so on. Yeah. When you need to close, okay, you need to go near the first point. It will appear, okay, a little circle near your cursor of your mouse, so you're sure that everything is properly closed. Okay, what you need to do is to redraw the main external line of your drawing, okay? And you need to create only one line to close everything. Okay, click and keep pressed. Click and keep pressed. Click and keep pressed, and so on. I continue. I retrace all the external line. If you just need to interrupt your drawing, okay, you need to click on the arrow, okay? If you want to continue the same line because you need it, as I said before, to create only one line close for this exercise, you just click on the pen again, click on the last point, and so you can continue the same lines. I continue. Okay, if you did a mistake, you just click on the arrow, you select Command Z, so undo. Then I click again, I continue the lines. And I can navigate the page using the trackpad or the zoom function. But with the trackpad it's very easy. Click and keep pressed. Okay, go on. And then here I'm ready to close. Remember, I go near the point, I want to see the little circle icon, and then I click. I'm sure that everything is done. Okay, here you can see. So I go in the layer, Okay, I click on the eye to hide the sketch so you can see what I've done. And then I remember to save file, save. Now that I have my main lines completed, I can click with the black arrow on the piece of clothing and I can change the color of the fill and of the stroke. So I double click on this square. I want to set up the main color of my dress. Yeah, and I click OK. Now I double click here and I want to make the lines maybe like this. Okay. Another important window you need to open is Properties. If it's not visible here, Window, and then Properties. Okay. I click on my dress. I click on the name Stroke. Okay. And then I can change the dimension, maybe 2 points. If I want to change the color, I click again, double click, and then adjust, okay? Now I need to add more detail. So I locked for a moment this layer, I hide it, so it's visible. I come again to my sketch. I click on the name Sketch because I want to create a layer between these two already existing layers. So I click on the plus icon and I click Flat Design bottom. Okay. I click on this layer. I zoom a little bit. I want to draw the back of my dress. Okay, and now I make it visible also là. But I click here because I'm drawing behind here in this layer. I don't need to be too much precise because this is not the top layer but it's behind, so I need to create something, okay, as you can see. And then I change the fill because there is the shadow, so it should be darker like this. Okay, exactly. Now fit on screen again. I need to hide all the layers. Now I click on the very top layer because I need to create a new layer on the top, plus icon, and I add much more detail. So Flat Design Top. Okay. I click on this because I want to tell the software I want to draw exactly on this layer, and I want to draw these lines. So I zoom a little bit, then I click on the pen, I deactivate it again, the fill. Yeah. These lines is to make people understand where are the sewing lines in my dress. Okay. When I need to change the line, I just click stop using the pen, click on the arrow, then click on the pen again to start a new line. Then I want to make visible again all my layers, so I click here with the eye and I want to hide the sketch so you can see the results, okay? Now I go also in the very top layer, Flat Design Top. I need to duplicate this line, so I click on this and I use the bottom Command C to copy and Command V to paste. So I click in the line, Command C, Command V. With the black arrow, I can put in the right position, okay, like this. Then I click on this line, I go in Properties, I click on the word Stroke, and I can select the dashed lines, and I put the points 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, and I use this round cap to make it more smooth. Yeah. You can see the final results. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to add decoration on our flat design drawing. Now you only need to save, okay, and you're ready for the next tutorial.